Lines joining places on a map having equal wind speed are termed as
isotaches.
lines connecting places with equal magnetic declination on a map are known as
Isogonic lines.
a line on a map passing through places where magnetic declination is zero is called an
Agonic line.
lines connecting points of equal magnetic dip or inclination are called
Isoclinic lines.
the line connecting points of zero magnetic dip corresponding to the magnetic equator is called the
Aclinic line.
The line joining points on a map where seismic waves arrive simultaneously during an earthquake is an
Homoseismal line.
lines on a map connecting points that experience equal earthquake intensity are called
Isoseismal lines.
lines on a map connecting places experiencing thunderstorms at the same time are known as
Isobrints.
the method of mapping relief where short fine lines are drawn in the direction of steepest slope is called
Hachuring.
in the hachuring technique, closely spaced thick lines indicate that the terrain slope is. What is the primary limitation of using
Steep.
hachures to depict relief on topographical maps?
They do not show exact numerical elevations above sea level.
Unbroken dashed lines drawn on a map to show approximate elevation where precise contour data is lacking are
Fawn lines.
the cartographic technique of using specific colors or shades between contour lines to show relief zones is called
Layer tinting or hypsometric tints.
every fifth contour line on a topographic map drawn thicker with its elevation value printed on it is an
Index contour.
contour lines drawn between standard index contours to show minor terrain details in low relief areas are
Supplementary contours.
the system of four-figure or six-figure grid references used on topographic maps is based on
Eastings and northings.
in a standard grid reference system on a topographic map, grid lines running vertically from bottom to top are called
Eastings.
grid lines on a map running horizontally from left to right whose numbers increase toward the north are
Northings.
when reading a grid reference on a topographic sheet, the standard rule to follow is to read
Eastings first, then northings.
what is the typical area covered by a single grid square on a standard survey of India 150,000 topographic sheet.
1 square kilometer.
The official mapping agency responsible for publishing topographic maps in India is the
Survey of India.
Where is the headquarters of the Survey of India historically located?
Dehradun.
The Standard Survey of India Open Series topographic sheets on a 150,000 scale use which map projection?
Polyconic or transverse Mercator projection.
In the Survey of India numbering system, a topographical map sheet numbered 53E4 is drawn on what scale?
1 50,000.
A survey of India million sheet map numbered simply as 53 covers an area spanning how many degrees of latitude and longitude?
4 degrees by 4 degrees.